Hi, let's take a very interesting question from this chapter. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set and show set x and y using Venn diagram. That means in this question, two sets are given to us, set x and set y, and we have to consider list of natural number from 1 to 20 as a universal set, and then we have to represent that by Venn diagram. So let's start with first question, that is x is a set of all x such that x is the element of natural number and x is greater than 7 but x is less than 50. Now the question says that take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set. So first of all we'll write universal set denoted by capital U, and in that set U we will write all the natural numbers from 1 to 20, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, separated by comma, written in a curly bracket. So this is what we have written, set U, all the elements from 1 to 20. Now, if you observe set X, it says that set x is a set of all x such that x is an element of natural number and x is greater than 7 but less than 50. That means this set x is given in set builder form. We will convert in roster form. So whatever comes after that small vertical line, such that we need to solve that first. It says that x is an element of natural number. That means for set x, its element will be natural number such that x is greater than 7 but less than 15. That means we need to write those natural numbers which are greater than 7 but less than 15. Now when we say greater than 7, that means we need to start from 8. And when we say less than 15, that means we need to end at 14. So we write all the natural numbers from 8 to 14, that is x is equals to curly bracket 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need to write all the natural numbers which are greater than 7, that is starting from 8, but less than 15, that means we need to end at 14. Now we have two sets U and X. We can see that all elements of set X are present in set U. That means X is a subset of U, and in order to draw a Venn diagram, we will first represent set X with some geometrical figure, and then we will represent set U with some geometrical figure, right? So let's draw a geometrical figure for set X. We can take any geometrical figure. Let's say that for set X we'll consider a circle. So we draw a circle and we'll write all elements which are present in set X. In this circle we can write anywhere. So we write all elements 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this circle belongs to set X. So we need to write this X over here, right? That means we have drawn a geometrical figure for set X. Now we are going to draw a geometrical figure for set U. So we draw a rectangle for set U, and we have to write all the elements of set U in this rectangle. But remember child one thing, if we observe this Venn diagram, circle is already a part of a rectangle. Therefore in this set U we will not write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 because it is already present inside this rectangle. So we'll write all the elements apart from that. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can write anywhere and we'll name it as set U. So that completes the Venn diagram for two sets, set U and set X. So first we need to draw a geometrical for a smaller set, that is set X, and then we will draw a geometrical figure or a geometrical shape for bigger set, that is set U. But remember child one thing, repetition of element is not allowed. Let's take one more question. Second question is about set Y. So Y is a set of all Y such that Y is an element of natural number and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. Again we need to take set of natural number from 1 to 20 as a universal set. So we'll write a universal set denoted by capital U, and in that U we'll write all the numbers from 1 to 20. So U is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now if you observe set Y, it is in set builder form. So we need to first convert it in roster form. So whatever comes after that small vertical line, such that we need to solve it first. It says that Y is a element of natural number and it is a prime number. So what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers we have discussed earlier. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, and we need to write those prime numbers which starts from 1 and ends at 20. So the list of prime numbers from 1 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So we need to write all the elements separated by comma. So Y is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So we have converted set Y from set builder into roster form. Now let's draw a Venn diagram representing two sets, set U and set Y. So first we'll draw a geometrical shape for smaller set, that is set Y. We can draw a circle and we need to write all the elements of set Y, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. And since all the elements belong to set Y, we'll give it its name as set Y. Right? Now we will draw one more geometrical figure for set U. So we draw a rectangle and we need to write all the elements of set U in this rectangle. But remember one thing, repetition of element is not allowed. That means we are not going to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 again, because they are already there in this rectangle. So we write remaining elements, that is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. And for this rectangle we give it as a name, that is set U. So we write over here set U. So that completes our second Venn diagram representing two sets, set U and set Y.